Guys, this is just going to be me running through some of the first experiences I've had while kayaking, so I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and have fun. Alright, this right here is going to be my first hole attempt. It didn't work out so well. Yeah, there I am. I have no idea where I thought I was going right there. Yeah, there you go, bud. This right here is going to be the first time I tried ferrying my boat, and aware I probably should have worn a helmet, but I made it through it. Yeah, this is the first time I got side surfed by this little pour over. Scared the living shit out of me. As you can see, Jared's over there smiling and laughing at my facial expression. That's how you support your buddy. He just enjoyed that way too much. At the pool at the local college, met a kayaker named Matt at the Walmart parking lot, and he showed us quite a bit of useful stuff, and still to this day goes out kayaking with me. Definitely a best thing I've ever found at Walmart. Yeah, this is when I found out that rolling in rapids, or just river in general when you're not expecting it, nothing like being in a pool whatsoever. A whole different mind game. And this right here will be my first class 3. I was super nervous, like can't even describe how nervous I was before this. It was me and Jared out there on the river by ourselves doing a chunk of river we'd never done before.
Okay.
It was definitely an experience, and definitely one of the reasons I love kayaking, that feeling you get when you don't know if you're going to make it or not, you know. But it was a good run. We made it through, and it was an amazing experience, and I run every rapid now, hoping to get that feeling I got after this one.